Midnight Raven. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. Unfortunately, Middy begs to differ. I actually want to do an unboxing, but he's not letting me. Today I want to unbox another box from J.P shop. I did one recently, and it was a Halloween inspired jewelry mystery box. And I did the women's one, and this is the man's one. I can't show you the front because it's obviously got my address on it, but it was this size, and it was meant to contain 6 items for $5.99. Last time I ended up with 8 items because the 2 rings that were in the box were so small. They actually put another 2 items in there because they were so tiny, which is awesome. This box, I believe, has 6 items in it. This is the man's version. I believe there is 2 items in here that is in the women's version, but I believe they're in different colours. We did have a conversation to make sure that I didn't get exactly the same items. So, like I said, it's $5.99. It is £3 postage, but as it contains jewellery, obviously the weight of the item is obviously fairly big. Inside, everything comes packaged. I did say in my last video that I wish that they had a little bit, of bubble wrap or something in just the top, just to secure the jewellery, because it does rattle around, obviously, in the box, and I'm more worried that something's going to break. And for the £3 postage, I would expect it to maybe have a little bit, but aside from that, nothing as yet has turned up broken, and this is the second box. Inside is a little note. The light here is not cooperating today. Little note here that just says thank you for ordering. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to contact them. And it's j.p.shop. They were really helpful when I spoke to them and said that I was going to put it on YouTube. Was it possible to make sure that the items were different if I ordered the man's box? And they said they would see what they could do. So here we have the items. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6 because looking at them just with my eyes, they are fairly big items. So we'll dive straight in and see what items we got. So this one we did get in the girl box. But if you remember, or if you haven't watched the girl video, I will link it up the top here and it will pop up and you can go watch both. But the women's one was like an acid yellow colour. And this one, I managed to get in a kind of bluey green colour. Like a nice bluey green. The light here is really playing today. It's not letting me show you. It's like a blue green, and they're in little skeletons, which I thought was so cute last time. It's a bracelet, and as I said last time, you just pull and it untightens, and then you just pull the drawstrings together. And it goes like this. I did say it was a big for me because obviously I have really tiny wrists. But there were a variety of colours as well, and I got to pick a colour this time. They did have loads of options, so I said I wanted a purple or a blue, or a black or something like that, because I'm more of a fan of those kind of colours. Again, it has the little dangly bits, and it's kind of cute. I actually prefer this one to the acid yellow one. So that one for me is a good. We like that one. So the next item. Ooh, what do we got? Ooh, let's go for this one. Ooh, we got a necklace. Now this would be perfect for Halloween. Obviously this is meant to be Halloween inspired jewellery, so hopefully it should all have a spooky or a Halloween theme is the idea. So again, we've got these lovely bronze chains, which I absolutely love. I love the whole bronze chains. It is a really long chain looking at it. Obviously, I've got a piece of cardboard there, but it's really long, which I like. I like a long necklace. Obviously, it will come to sort of, we're talking like mid-ribs. And then inside, we have this little box. And if you can see in there, a little skull. Just shaking around in there. I don't think it comes undone. I think the idea is the skull is in his little box. We'll just see. No. He is secure in his little box, so that is really cute. That'd be so cool for Halloween. And again, it goes with the whole bronzy kind of feel to it. So it's got like a little bronze skull in it. I think that's so cute. Ever so cute. I can quite happily see myself wearing that. Like I said, I love a long chain on a necklace, and it is fairly long. Fairly long. So that's kind of nice. So that's the second item. So we like that one. I'm not a big fan of skulls per se, but that one in itself, just because of the whole vintage look about it, I do like vintage jewellery, and it does have this kind of rustic vintage look, so we like that one. Okay, onwards and upwards. Again, we have an item that we had in the last one, and this is the same colour. This again is red, and it was this. Now apparently, on further investigation and a friend's telling me, this is effectively an ear cuff. Now, I don't have my ears pierced, and I've never done anything with my ears, but apparently it's an ear cuff. Apparently it's meant to slip on your ear like this. So you wear it like this, or something to that effect. It kind of slips on your ear and you wear it, or something like that, so I've been told. A good friend of mine called Best Friend in Your Threads told me, so if you want to check her channel out, that would be awesome. I had no idea, but it's got these two dragon wings there, and it's got stone in the middle. We did get this in the women's set, but in the women's set we got an ear cuff one, and we actually got a stud one that was similar. So they were like a duo apparently. If you haven't seen the women's one, I didn't know what this was, but now I do. So it's in silver. It's kind of cute. I like how it's got the little spines and everything. So that's cute. I don't think I would wear it, but it's a very cute conversation piece nonetheless. It would definitely be a talking point. Right, 3 items to go. So let's do the ring next. Last time we had a kitty ring, and we also had a winged pair of wings, or a pair of wings. A pair of wing rings. They were angel wings. Get it out, girl. This one, which is stuck in this bag, like some kind of impenetrable bag. Here we go. Is a gorgeous, gosh, chunky ring. So we've got a nice chunky ring here, and you've got some detailing there on the side. Pretty cool. Just see what it is. Ooh. And then on the top, it looks like this. That's kind of cute. I'm not sure what it is or what it's meant to be. But it's cute. Big. You see that there? I'm not sure. It's a gorgeous size ring though. It's very big. I believe it's a man-size. Can't remember if it's a man-size R ring. It's very big because look at on me. Very, very big. See, on me it'd probably be a thumb ring, although it does go on my middle finger. I love the blue colour. Very blue. This. I'm not sure if it signifies something or if it means anything. So if anyone knows. And then it's got this detailing around the side there as well. That's a pretty cute ring. I must say, I absolutely love the colour of the blue. So we got a ring, and it fits, which is always a good thing. My partner doesn't wear jewellery, so it won't be for him. I got the man's one because I thought if I'm going to do a women's man one, then you should really get both. So next we have another item. Ooh, and in here, ooh, now I believe, again, not clued up in my jewellery, but I believe this is what we call an ear cuff. Hold out on this one. I believe this is an ear cuff. So you have the spider web at the top, which is so cool. Look at that. And it comes in like this, and it's got a gap. See that? And then at the bottom, down here, if you look, ugh, you have a little spider. Look at him, look. Oh, isn't he cute? And then at the bottom, you've got the earpiece. So I'm believing that this is a pierced earring. So I don't know if you could wear it as both, maybe. I think the idea is maybe it's not an ear cuff. I think it's an actual earring here. You've got the spider hanging down, the web hanging down from the spider. It's just an earring. I thought it was an ear cuff for a minute. I was going to be like, oh, well, you can just wear it like this, you know, on the side of your ear and have him hanging down. But I believe it's a pierced ear one on further inspection with the little disc spider. That's pretty cute. Again, I don't have my ears pierced, so bit of a downer. It would be nice if you could ask whether you had your ears pierced or not, but it's cute nonetheless. Very cute. So, and we have one more item. So, just put this one up, and we'll just do the last item, and then we will do a recap. So, like I said, there was a women's version and a man's version, and they were very, very helpful. Like I said, the other item that was going to be the same colour, they made sure that I had a different colour, that I was happy, and they were very accommodating, and a number of messages let me know it was dispatched, and everything. So here is the last item. So we have a silver chain this time, something a bit more with a glitz, but again, all trying to be Halloween themed, which I think is gorgeous. And then at the bottom, I'll show you, we have this cross. Now, unfortunately, it is a bit glitzy. You see that? See that? Very shiny. On the back, it's plain, but it's all glitzy on the front. We just hold it a bit better. See if we can get you a good shine. See, look at that. Ow, that glitz. That's really nice. It's got a fairly long chain. It does have an extender, which is huge actually. Got a very long extender. So we're talking again sort of mid-ribs. So if you have like a plunge dress or a low cut neckline, you'd still be able to wear this. So that is gorgeous. As you can see, it's just catching the light really well. So that is the last item. So to recap, it's $5.99 and it is mystery Halloween box from eBay from j.p.shop. They were really, really accommodating and helpful. There is again their name. I will try and link their shop in the bottom below, and I will link the link to the women's box as well. But to recap, the items I like the necklace, although I'm not religious, so crosses aren't really my thing, but it is very cute. We have the vintage skeleton necklace in the box, which was really cool. We had the ring, which, although I don't know what it means, very, very cute. And we obviously have the blue skeleton bracelet, which I like. So that's 4, and then the other items that I'm not really into is the pierced earring, which is the spider, but it's very cute though. And obviously the ear cuff. I'm into dragons, but I don't think I'd have the time to wear this, and it didn't look or feel very comfortable, to be fair, but it is a talking piece, mind you. So like I said, in the box you got 6 items. I got 8 in the women's one because the 2 rings were very, very small, and they wanted to fill the box up. So if you want to get a box like this, I will try and link them down below, or you can ask me for more details. But this wasn't a paid thing or anything. I bought these both myself to use for my Spooktober videos, so I got both a man's and a woman's to try out both. I wanted to see the kind of jewellery that you get for a man's Halloween box. So this is the Spooky Halloween's mystery jewellery box. There is a women's one and there is a man's one. So if you want to try both, it's $5.99 each with £3 postage. They're really good. They're helpful. If you order more than one box, they try and make sure you have different pieces and different colours. Like I said, when I ordered the man's box, they tried to make sure that the bracelet that was in the women's one didn't come to me as the same colour. So they mailed me and everything. We had a good repartee backwards and forwards to make sure I got what I wanted. And then it was sent to me in record time as well. So if you want to subscribe to me, that would be awesome. If you want to follow more of my Spooktober, my Halloween playlist will pop up near the end of this video. I have plenty more content coming for Halloween, so do stay tuned. And if you want to like and subscribe and share this video out and share the Halloween love, that would be awesome. So if you want to see more, check out my Halloween playlist, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care and have a happy Halloween. Bye!